All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a quick little 5-minute lesson on reflections, okay? When you hear the word reflection, hopefully the next word you think of is mirror, okay? That's the most common place that you'll ever see a reflection, and you might also see it in water, etc. So that's literally what's going on here, mirrored images across a line. So let me mark this up a little bit. Anyone in here have a 4-letter name that doesn't repeat?
She does.
Yes.
Cora.
So we got quadrilateral Cora here.
I'm gonna call you that.
And then we're going to reflect Cora across line L. And this is a hard one because it's a diagonal line with a shape that is kind of orientated strangely. So when you do this, you have to think about the properties of a mirror. And the reflection will always be reflected at a 90-degree angle from the point to the line. So if I could just envision A as a point, and if I could draw a right angle, okay, then I'm going to copy that same right angle across the same length, and this will be where our new A is, okay? I'll do the same thing with R. I'm not gonna probably have enough room. Form a right angle, go this far, and this is where the new R will be. Do the same thing with C. Form a right angle, go the same distance, and down there would be where the new C would be. And unfortunately, our O would probably be down there, maybe even off the page. So you can kind of envision that shape would be translated down that way. With a straight edge and a compass, you can do better and more room, but that in general is how you reflect points over line. Don't reflect the entire shape, just reflect the endpoints and then reconnect the shape. Boink, boink, boink. Oh. All right, now let's look at some notation. What this means right here is a reflection about the x-axis. I was trying to help Leela with one of hers on our quiz, and it said a reflection x equal 2, and I wasn't sure what that meant. And it was like, oh, about the line x equal 2. So let's draw a picture. When in doubt, make a picture of it. That is always going to be my first advice for you. So let's look at the point -5, 3. And then let's reflect it about the x-axis. Well, which is the x-axis? The one that goes up and down or the one that goes left and right? The one that goes left and right. Oh. Okay, here we go. And so now we want to draw a right angle and go just as far down. See, it's a lot easier to reflect when things are vertical and horizontal. Okay, and if this was the point -5, 3, what is this point? Yes.
-5, -3.
-5, -3. Okay, and so that's the answer to number 7. And now we can probably just do number 8 without sketching a picture because these rules start to be consistent. So if we reflect something about the x-axis, then the point x, y will turn into what? What's the rule for this? Can anybody come up with the rule?
X, -1.
That's right. Very good. The x value stays the same and the y value has the opposite sign. So number 8, what's the answer to number 8?
Okay.
1, -6. That might be the last thing on this slide. Let's see. Let's see if I have another one. Okay, write a reflection rule So now we just want to write the rules. So let's look at part A. 1 comma 0 became negative 9 comma 0. Negative 5 comma 2 became negative 3 comma 2. And 4 comma negative 4. Oh, that's kind of a weird one. Does anybody see what's going on in this? Left 10, right 2. I think I am going to need a picture for this one. So let's take a look. I legit do not know what the answer to number 9A is. So this is what I would expect you to do. When in doubt, make a picture of it. J is 1 comma 0. And K is negative 5 comma 2. And L is 4 comma 4.
It's 4 comma negative.
Thank you. Oh, we don't have an undo, so I have to do this. L is 4 comma negative 4. So we have like a triangle here. Kiddo, your phone was ringing. Some fun little song. Now let's see. Our new colors. J is negative 9 comma 0. Negative 3 comma 2 is our new K. I don't know why I have. And let's see, negative 12 negative 4. What in the world? I'm pausing this bad boy. Okay, a lot of good things being said now. So this is negative 12, negative 4. And this isn't really easy to see, but it looks like maybe we've just reflected it over that line.
You connected the part of the triangle to the wrong point.
Is that right? So K was negative 5 comma 2, and now it's negative 3 comma 2. Very good point, June. So, I missed my undo. So really what we have, that was a mistake. We have a triangle. Negative 5. And the new one looks like this. I see exactly what your point was, I think. The new point is negative 3 comma 2. And then this one goes over here, and this one is down here. Now, is that what you were meaning, Jude?
It's just reflected.
And so actually the reflection isn't that point, it's the point right in between them. And so this is the point negative 3 comma 2, and this is the point negative 5 comma 2. So somebody had mentioned this earlier. This is a reflection about the line x equals negative 4, right? Okay. And so that's what we want. We want to reflect it over the line x equals negative 4. That kind of took some thought. I'm glad we did that together. All right, that should give you enough to do 3-1. I might even try to get the 3-2 video up by the end of the bell. Good job. Boom.